DeBrosse, the gun lawyer.
Ohio gun lawyer Derek DeBrosse here. Coming at you from Columbus. Thanks, Sean Hannity.
Yeah, throws the football.
With Michael Truman, my sidekick. No, my associate. He heads up the gun department here at the office for us. Does a good job at it. Got a question here from the 1911 kid. I'm sorry, you're wrong. I'm right. Glock rules, 1911 rules. So with that said, he wants to know about church carry. A lot of issues come up with church carry. The first thing is concealed carry. And you can carry into a place of worship as the law defines it, as long as the place of worship allows. It is a statutorily prohibited place otherwise. You can't carry in there, sign or no sign. You're not allowed to carry unless they allow it. Law doesn't say how they have to allow it. It doesn't have to be in writing. They can just give you verbal authority. I would get it in writing. A lot of times churches and places of worship are disorganized. You don't really know who's in control. Get something in writing on letterhead into their bylaws or their minutes or something in a bulletin so you have clear authority from them that you can carry. Second issue we always address, and it ties in with concealed carry, even if they allow it. If it's a big church, a lot of times they'll actually have a license, an actually state licensed daycare facility. And if you're in the daycare facility, that's against the law. There's prohibition against that. So what we generally do when we represent churches is we'll separate the two businesses, and the church will actually rent out space to the daycare facility at a separate address, like apartment 1 or unit A, and that'll be the licensed premise. And then the concealed carry holder will not go into those areas, and it's a complete and separate business from the church. And never seen that challenged in court, but I think it would be okay. And then the third issue is we get a lot of churches that want to have volunteers like ushers, but concealed carry holders do security. It's a horrible idea unless you hire an attorney and a tactical organization to train those people with similar training and get some regulations in place and make sure everything's good to go. It's a horrible idea from a church's standpoint. It could incur liability. Anytime you exert control over a group of people that could harm somebody, that control could lead to liability. So it's an expensive thing to do, but we do that type of consulting work here. So if you're involved in a church, please give us a call. We consult with them all the time on these issues. Remember, as always, be safe out there and carry on.